Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Xbox app not working Windows 11. To start, in the search box, enter the command ws-reset. Click on Run command. You will see a command prompt window and then the Windows Store will open. After that, access settings from Start. You will go to Apps and there open the option Installed Apps. Then in the Xbox app, click on the three dots and select Advanced Options. First, click on the button Repair. Wait for the application to be repaired. Then click on Reset. Click on Reset again and wait for it to finish. When you do, now look for the application, Xbox Live. Click on the context menu and choose Advanced Options. Again, click on Repair and wait for it to finish. When it completes, click on Reset and confirm again. You must wait for the application to be restored. Now access local services from the search box. Open the Xbox Accessory Management service and click Start to start it. Then set the startup type to automatic. Apply the changes. Open the Xbox Live Auth Manager service. Start the service and set the startup type to automatic. Click Apply and OK. Then open the Xbox Live Game Save service. Click Start and then set the startup type to automatic. Save the changes. Finally, open the Xbox Live Networking service. Enable this service by clicking Start and set it to automatic. Apply the changes. Finally, reboot the system to apply these changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.